my god, it's good. Oh my god, look, I can't even explain these tastes here. Oh my god. My god, this is like the most unbelievable, best meal I've ever had in my life. Oh my god, it's good. Oh my god, look, I can't even explain these tastes here. All of these tastes are like so exceptionally different and good, each one. This is called paneer with some type of sweet sauce. This is paneer with a tomato-based sauce. This is like a pasta thing with vegetables, and it's like just the combination of it is unbelievable. This, oh my god, naan bread dipped in any one of these three sauces is phenomenal, absolutely unbelievable. Like any of these flavors is sure to tantalize your taste buds. Oh wait, oh my gosh, I almost forgot. This is supposed to be some type of mashed potatoes, something or other. All right, ready? Here we go. Oh my god. This food is unbelievable. The best. And then lastly, even this rice that looks so plain, I'm sure it's probably has turmeric in it, is the most tastiest rice ever. I mean, oh my gosh, I am loving this food. The best. Absolutely. Ever. I am seriously not kidding you. This is literally the best meal I've ever had in my entire life. Wow. Everything. Every single thing is spectacular. You guys gotta come here. This is crazy great. Crazy great. This place is so great. I even got leftovers. Look at all these leftovers. The best place on planet Earth to eat. Oh my gosh, highly recommend it. And I can't even hold this camera right to show you. There we go. The best place to ever eat. NAAN-tastic is really NAAN-tastic. Look at all these leftovers. I'm so happy. I couldn't be happier. Oh my gosh, this is like just outside the Planet Fitness. It's across from Tops where the old Bonton was. I think it was Bonton. This is great. Look at this place. Are you kidding me? NAAN-tastic. It's really NAAN-tastic. Thank you, NAAN-tastic. Very much.